What are the key skills that you need to master as a chemical engineer to be successful? The first thing that I teach each of my chemical engineering students is to be fine with uncertainty. So you need to be able to make assumptions, and you need to be able to verify your assumptions. This is the main skill that I want my students to take away from the time that we spend together, mostly because when you go to industry or you work in industry, no one will tell you how you can assume things, what are the temperature differences that are visible, what are the operating conditions of your process. You need to be able to understand where you can get this data and how you can assess your assumptions. So being fine with uncertainty is one of the major skills that chemical process engineers can develop. Another skills that seem to be kind of overlooked sometimes by chemical engineers or in general engineers is set of communication skills. You need to understand how you can tailor your message to the key stakeholders, or you need to understand how you can get your message across with people who you're communicating to in the way that they understand it. So whether that's written reports, whether that's presentations, videos, and so on, you need to be able to communicate, get your message across, and emphasize the key messages out of your work, right? Because what is important for them might not be important for you, and vice versa. Another set of skills that chemical engineers need to know is, of course, the problem-solving skills. So problem-solving is critical to the bottlenecking of the process designs, the bottlenecking of the operation of the existing assets. But also, if you're more into the research side of chemical engineering, you might want to problem solving is at the heart of kind of generating innovating designs, because at the end of the day, what you're doing in research and R&D, you're trying to come up with innovative solutions to existing problems. Another set of skills, or the final set of skills that chemical engineering students need to know, need to be able to, is computation and in general any kind of estimation methods. So you need to be capable of writing your own codes, developing Excel spreadsheets, and being confident in using the tools that are meant to give you the data that will help you to justify your ideas.